Coronavirus vaccine, monkeys largely protected during trial, says Chinese firm. Sinovac Biotech, a Chinese company, said it injected 2 different doses of its vaccine into 8 rhesus macaque monkeys and exposed them to virus 3 weeks later, and they did not develop infections. A novel coronavirus vaccine has for the first time largely protected monkeys from infection during an animal trial, data from Chinese pharmaceutical giant showed. It is among a slew of vaccines being developed around the world as countries race to stop an outbreak that has infected around 2.7 million people globally and killed more than 190,000. Nasdaq-listed Sinovac Biotech said it injected 2 different doses of its vaccine into 8 monkeys and exposed them to virus 3 weeks later, and they did not develop infections. All the monkeys were largely protected against SARS-CoV-2 infection, Sinovac said in its finding. 4 macaques who received a high dose of the vaccine had no detectable amount of the virus in their lungs 7 days after they were administered pathogen. Another 4 monkeys given low doses showed an increase in viral load in their bodies but appeared to have controlled the virus on their own, it said. In contrast, 4 monkeys who were not given the vaccine fell ill from the virus and suffered severe pneumonia. Sinovac published its result on the online server bioRxiv on April 19, 3 days after it began human trials, but its findings have yet to be peer-reviewed by global scientific community. The vaccine, like most others, uses a chemically inactivated novel coronavirus pathogen to help the body build immunity against the real disease. Tests had shown good efficiency, and the Beijing-based company was confident about the vaccine's potential, Sinovac spokesman Yang Gang told AFP. The company had given the first serious preclinical data one have seen for an actual vaccine candidate, said Florian Kramer, a virologist at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai in New York. Kramer recently co-authored a survey of different coronavirus vaccine projects for the journal Cell. Mutation risk. Several strains of novel coronavirus have been found by researchers showing that the pathogen slowly mutates, potentially making the development of vaccine harder. But Sinovac said its experiments so far had shown its vaccine can neutralize widely different strains found among patients in China, Italy, Switzerland, Spain, and Britain. This provides strong evidence that the virus is not mutating in a way that would make it resistant to a COVID-19 vaccine, immunologist Mark Slifka from Oregon Health and Science University tweeted. However, vaccines with inactive pathogens need booster shots to stay active, and it remains to be seen whether Sinovac's research would provide long-lasting protection from the virus, said Lucy Walker, professor of immune regulation at University College London. Phase 3 testing of the vaccine will need human volunteers who were never infected with the disease, as well as with those with symptoms. Sinovac's Yang said the company was looking abroad for test subjects as China now does not have enough reported COVID-19 cases. Chinese authorities have approved 3 clinical trials for the vaccine so far, but have not yet signed off on the phase 3 trials for Sinovac's effort. There are currently no approved vaccines or medications for the new disease. The World Health Organization has said it would take 12 to 18 months to develop a vaccine. Keep watching Hot News for more updates. Pakistan Zindabad.